Welcome back to Culinary 101, back to the basics, episode 6. We're talking about salt. Let's go. This is iodized table salt. It's incredibly cheap. It's about $1.35 a container. It's cut with iodine, which there appears to be an iodine deficiency in America. It's a little bit more free-flowing. It's got some anti-caking agents built in, and so it kind of flows through salt shakers a little bit better. Personally, I don't think this is great. It makes food taste salty. It doesn't actually enhance the flavor. The grains are also incredibly small, so it makes it much easier to oversalt your food. I hate it. Kosher salt. There are two really big brands in America, Morton's and Diamond Crystal. I am a Diamond Crystal man all the way. Once you find your salt, that's pretty much what you stay with. This is known as kosher salt, not because there's a Jewish rabbi praying over all of the grains of salt, but because it was used primarily in the koshering process of meats for the Jewish community. These grains of salt are about 4 times larger than iodized salt, which makes it a lot harder to oversalt your food, and it draws out the moisture and actually penetrates the fibers. This makes food taste delicious. Diamond Crystal Kosher Salt is the way to go. Finishing salt. This is Maldon sea salt. I love it. This is what I use primarily for finishing when I cut proteins and have them sliced and exposed. A few little grains of Maldon sea salt on that exposed flesh really enhances that dish. You're getting this crunch, this minerality, and this little bite of salt. It dissipates really, really quickly, but it's super delicious and it just brings that bite to life. Maldon is not cheap. Finishing salts are not cheap, but they will transform your dishes and make them so much more delicious. Diamond Crystal, this is about $7 for a box, but it'll last you a super long time. Morton's iodized salt, it's about $1.50, but tastes like it's free.